This year Wike, the former governor of Rivers State, will be minister for inside Abuja. He don't finally say message go give Nigerians. Tell them say if you want hung transformer, make you go hug transformer. Even Wike dance put for the matter as it be like this. Where hunger dey for the land. And he say if you people are not seeing the work wey they are doing, make una go hung transformer. No be small thing, things dey happen for inside Nigeria. My people, as it be like this now, they say that the Nigeria police wey dey for Lagos, Lagos, they don't come outside, they come talk say as it be like this now, inside swamp, now they go give them, now be their camp. As the policeman come outside, come explain how the area take be, which we will show now. How these people, where they treat like this for inside Nigeria police, go see human being, where they no go try to extort money from that person. E get the one where they happen for Werenas with the talk. Oh God, you know say no matter wetin dey happen for inside police, e get still some things wey be say civilians, even some oga wey dey from top, dey do to other junior police wey be say if he hear am, he go say why dey waste their time, dey carry gun. So however, we go show you the videos, make you watch. And as it be like this now, Wike don't tell una more go home transformer. Welcome back to Balabas GC. Today now the first time we come across this wonderful channel, you are highly welcome. We see they here, they bring updates back to back. Okay, look at this video that I'm going to show you and see how Wike they enjoy the politicians, they enjoy their life when the country they go down every day. They are collecting billions of naira, pocketing, while the economy of the country is falling, that they will borrow and pocket. Nigeria are still sleeping. Watch this video.
I overheard somebody in our eyes this morning. Unfortunately, I hear the person is a member of National Assembly. It's unfortunate I say so. With all due respect, what you don't know, you don't know. What you know, you don't. And the good thing for you is to tell people that, look, I don't know this. And people will educate you. The Honorable Minister of State and my humble self, we have not been in office for more than 10 months, 11 months. And to the glory of God, the person is angry that they are praising us. If you don't want, go and hang yourself in a transformer. Yes. If you're angry, go and hang yourself. If we have done well, we have done well. If we have not done well, we have not done well. And we are proud to say, in this short time Mr. President appointed us, that we have done well. He said there are no schools. He said there are no hospitals. You as a legislator, what have you done? How many bills have you sponsored for us to improve our education and our health sector? How many? I challenge that legislator, if you are very, very popular, 2027, come and run under Abuja. We will fail you. You think that what happened last time will happen again? You think so? It will not happen again. If you are popular, come and run. Luckily for me, I'm the FCT minister now. So here is my territory. I'm not afraid. So people should come out and be able to accept the truth. We are not begging for anybody to be our friend. We have so many friends that we cannot even carry along. So how can we go and beg people to be our friends again? We're not interested in that. So if you're angry that people are praising us, wait. By next year, your BP level will go very high. Because the praises you will see will be too much.
On his foot there.
wonderful people. My God, things are happening. These are the people where they rule us. So they are happy with their positions, and they don't even see the positions as serving the public, but seeing it as their own heritage. So they are happy to be there, to get salary, to get paid, but they don't even care of people who are dying in the streets. So Nigerians youth, if you guys are so lazy to that extent, when you come outside now, they do you ho ho ho, pop 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 pop, everybody will run inside. But however, I'm not asking you to come outside though, but just watch what is happening here. However, let me bring you this particular video for you to see. Now the police, so where they say they protect you, watch them.
Hello, good morning everyone. I want to use this media to inform the house, people in assembly platform, to really tell you that where we are being posted, no good ventilation, no toilet, no good water, and where we are living since rain started, we have been mobbing. Anytime rain falls, we doesn't have rest. We will mob until the rain stop. Even when the rain stop, we'll still be mobbing. Where to stay, we don't have. Even the place to our own area where we live, this is the abandoned upstairs. No roof, and as soon as the rain is falling, the old water will be dripping down straight to the distance. I'm using the opportunity to dress, and this is my name, Iyo Emmanuel. I want you to know that they had me, Super Boniface Zebedee. At the time you call him, he will be insulting you. The moment you just talk to him, he will seize your allowance. He will say the apostle there, anything you like. You want to spoil Asco Beach, this is the beach Asco, a estate, swampy area, abandoned upstairs where they kept us. You will see now. I'm coming down from the step. Look at water everywhere. Look at water, swamp. This is what we follow to our house. Look at it. We'll be moving, pulling our shoes. Look at it. Water. Pull our shoes and our trousers and our uniform. This is what we follow to our place. We'll be dragging ourselves, managing to come and see where we live. Please, sir, I want the house. I want Azumile himself. Anybody who lay on this particular clip should look at it critically. If really I'm telling lies. And now I'm going inside now for you to come and see that this is what we are passing through in Lagos, Lakwe area. And this is Lagos, so Lekki Beju. Sir, I want you people to be watching. Just take pains to watch so that you will not say we want to close Asco Beach. Look at the area. Look at the area. Swamp everywhere. Look at water. This is the area we are living in. No good ventilation. Look at it. Bush everywhere. No good ventilation. This is the abandoned upstairs. So that tomorrow, they have me with top base that he has mentioned my name in base. That they called me in a meeting where I told them that you are seizing our allowance. Why are you seizing our allowance? You said you have every right to seize the allowance. Nobody question your authority that the CEO is aware of what you are doing in Lagos. This is where we live. Look at that. No water. This is the soccer way for the house. The water that is inside is what we are using to take our bed. No good water. The abandoned upstairs. Now our room now since yesterday we are not even slept. Nowhere to stay. Come. This is where we live. Everywhere. Look at this. This is now look at room now. Look at it. This pocket since yesterday we have built 4 out of the room, and now if you watch me now you see we want to start building water. You see me? Look at it. I'm building water with my uniform. Look at it. I want everybody to be aware so that tomorrow you will not say I want to close the pit. If you call their name, super body face Germany, they will be insulting you, telling you you don't know what you are doing. Now, come and look. Look at my room. Look. My room. See, I'm telling you what this is where I live or where I live. Where they said they post me. This is where I live. And now how can you imagine the mobile man? Look at clothes. Look at my clothes. I've been mobbing since yesterday. Look at my phone. Wet. Look at it. I'm taking outside. Look at it. Phone. I'm taking it outside. Every day, look at it. If there's sun, I'll go. I'll bring it out. Look at it. Phone. I'll bring it out. I want to dry it. Since yesterday, the phone has wet. I want to dry it. We don't know what we are doing. We want to close that scope bit. Can you just imagine, please? House, what do you want me to say now? Because when we are saying it, base will not listen to us. Can you just see where we are living? And at the end of the day, it will be seizing our allowance. When you call him, it will be insulting you. It will not come and take place to come and check where the personnel that is doing this job are living. Can you just imagine us look the way we are now? Please, I want you people to use this opportunity. I'm using this opportunity to tell the house, to tell assembly personnel, the office.
My wonderful people, welcome back as you have watched that video. You don't see how this person now go get mind. Dey for road, wey be say e no go collect money from you. How person will live for this kind place, we go get mind. Do you know that most of these people that are serving Nigeria have been there for years, but they never even put one block for their papa house? Now the same then they go use spoil. If the youth come outside tomorrow now to say, hey, we want peace, we want this, now the same one now they go use come fight the youth. The same you people they will use come fight the youth tomorrow. And see where they put you. Look at the place they put you. My people, things are happening for inside Nigeria. As it be like this, now so we'll see them and I will carry them come show. Please share this video and drop your own opinion for inside comment section. And do not forget to follow all our social media handles. We will open a new TikTok now. In case of you come across some Balabas gist, please don't forget to follow us over there, because they drop new updates back to back for inside TikTok. Most of people love to watch from TikTok. If you are watching us from YouTube, please do not forget to subscribe to our channel and make sure say you turn the notification bell, so anytime we will upload video, will be the first person we're going to get the update. We will see you for the next update shortly.